Hello, my friends. Welcome back to day 16, lesson 16 in our packets or on our Google Classroom. This is what our packet looked like, the page we're working on today. And in our packet, we're working with finding totals greater than 10. Total means your answers are going to be more than 10. Greater means more than. And on the board, I have 3 of our examples off our sheet. And the first one is 9 plus 3. And I'm using our 10 frames to answer our questions. If you remember when we were in class, we used our 10 frames. So what we're going to do is first try to make a 10 out of our numbers. And then our leftovers, which are going to be our ones, are going to be over here. So right now we have 9 as our first number. So we're going to color out or mark 9 spaces, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as you can see, I have 1 space left after I did my 9. So we're going to change our marker and we're going to do our 3, but we want to make a total of 10 first. So we're going to put one of our 3 over here, which leaves us with what? 1, 2. So that's our 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we made a 10 frame. 10 frame with 2 left over. Remember how we talked about when you have 10, one 10 and 2 ones. So we're going to take our 110 and we're going to put it right here because this is 1 full 10 frame. And then we have 2 numbers left, 2 spaces left. So that's going to be our 2. Okay, so we made 10, 9 plus one of those, then our 2, which made it 12. Okay. On our next one, we have 6 plus 8 equals blank, okay? So we're going to do our first number. Let's do our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we did our 6, okay? Now we're going to use some of our number 8 to finish filling in. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many green marks do I have? That's right, 4, because I took 4 from that 8. So now how many do I need to put over here? Because we finished out our 10 frames, but we have some left. How are we going to figure that? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, count 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 4 green here, 4 greens here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is our 8. So between the 6 and the 4, we finished off our 10 frame. So that means it's 110. And how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us our number 14. Okay? So we took our 6, put our 6 in. How many we had to finish filling in our 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we counted off 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which gave us our 8. And we have 1, 10, and 4 ones. Okay? Now at the bottom, right here, this one is a little different. Okay? We have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. And it's written as 6 plus 3 plus 4 equals blank. Okay? But we want to fill in our 10 frames. Okay? So we're going to kind of rewrite it, or you can leave it the same. So we're going to start with our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we used that 6. Plus, how many spaces are left? Let's use a different marker, okay? So we have how many spaces left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which we used our 4. So 6 plus 4 plus, now how many do we have? What number did we not use? We didn't use our 3, so we're going to put 3 right here because our 10 frame is full, okay? So 6 plus 4, the 6 plus the 4 gave us 10, okay? That gave us our 10, okay? So now we're going to put out 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 6 green, 4 red, and 3 blues. Okay, so we know we have 10 right here, so that's 110. That's our 110 because the 10 frame is full. How many ones do we have? How many left over? Right, we have 3 left over. So it is give us 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. 6 and 4 gave us our 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 left over gave us our 13. Okay? So that is how you answer the longer ones. If you make your 10 first, then your leftovers, okay? And I use 10 frame, if you need to count objects such as buttons, rocks, blocks, whatever you have at home, you can count that out. But I use a 10 frame. Show you how we broke it down with our 10 plus our ones. Our 10s, which is a full 10 frame, plus whatever's left over, which is our ones. We made 10s with the 6 and the 4 and had 3 that was left over, 3 ones, okay? So that's how you work those, okay? On our fluency sheet, we're working with our number bonds, okay? So you're doing your number bonds on your fluency sheet like we did the other day. And we're going to work one together, okay? Because I don't ever want you to forget how to use your number bond. Let me get all of this off. That was a lot. Okay? So we're going to let's do this one together. This one has a big block with the 7. Then our 2 small blocks. Okay? And then one of our blocks, they gave us a 1. Then you have blank equals blank minus blank. Okay, we're trying to fill in. Let's do it this way so you can see it a little bit better. What are we trying to fill in? Okay, and then the second one is blank equals whatever minus whatever. We writing our number sentences again, okay? And I'm just doing this so we can see what our answer is going to be. And we know that our big number is what number? What number is in our big square? Our big square is the number 7. So that's this and this is going to equal to 7. And it's minus. It's a minus. So we know that one of our numbers is going to be the number 1. Okay? So we can put the number 1 in there. So what minus 1, let's write it backwards. What minus 1 to give us 7? Okay, so you know it has to be a bigger number than 7. So what number can we take away 1 that'll give us 7? Okay, you can also add to find the answer. Okay, so if I have 7 plus 1 equals, what does 7 plus 1 give us? 7 plus 1 give us the number 8. So do you think 8 will work in here? 8 minus 1 equals our 7. Okay? So we're going to put that 7 over there again, and we could say 8 and 1. Because you're just rewriting. So this means our number right here has to be what? 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Okay? So you're going to work your fluency sheet, which is your number bond sheet. And you're going to work your morning sheet. Okay? Good luck with your work. And don't forget in your day to work on your I Ready. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.